What wild beauty is there left in the world? Not nearly enough. And what is your company doing about it? This World Wildlife Day. It's time to act on your commitment to creating real, positive change in the world. And we've made it easier than ever to help restore our planet's biodiversity. In one bundled package, you can now plant thousands of trees in Kenya, restore coral ecosystems in Indonesia, and conserve hectares of habitat in India. The best part? The positive impact you make can now be constantly tracked and quantified, digitized and transparent, and completely legit. Every tree, coral, and square meter of habitat accounted for. You'll get regular updates from NGOs working on the ground, exclusive video footage, and beautiful visualizations to communicate your impact. Don't be shy. Showcase the amazing difference you're making to the world. And show through your actions where your values lie, as you help to preserve our indescribably precious wildlife, for us all and for generations to come. It's time. Become a part of the regenerative economy of the future. Because regenerative companies are leaving everyone else behind. Are you joining us?